And finally, Daryl Esguerra, Philippine News Agency.
Good morning, Yusek. Ma'am, can we just get an explanation lang po kung bakit na-veto ni Pangulo yung proposed amendments on the revised Baguio City Charter?
Okay, banggitin ko na lang po ang kanyang mensahe. And I quote, bibigyan ko po kayo maya-maya lamang po. Sinabi po niya dito na, I am constrained to veto the bill as it is inconsistent with law and jurisprudence, and it may endanger or prejudice the authority previously granted to the BCDA. So kinikilala po ng Pangulo ang karapatan at authority ng BCDA patungkol po dito. Kaya po na-veto po ang Act amending Sections 23 and 52 and repealing Section 55 of the Republic Act number 11689, otherwise known as the Revised Charter of the City of Baguio.
Thank you very much, Yusek Claire.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating briefing ngayong araw. Maraming salamat, Malacanang Press Corps, at magandang tanghali sa bagong Pilipinas.